Thank you all very much for being here today. My name is Matt Collings. I'm the Moulton Niguel Water District's Assistant General Manager, and on behalf of our Board of Directors, I'd like to thank everybody for participating today in our turf transformation event. As you know, we're here today to celebrate and recognize the hard work of all of our customers in removing over 5 million square feet of turf now.
The City of Laguna Niguel and Moulton Water District have enjoyed collaborating and cooperating on all kinds of programs and plans, which in return would help all of our residents to save money and enjoy the vibrant, the beautiful community that we live in.
This project is the one that actually pushed our rebate program into the 5 million square feet milestone. They removed 140,000 square feet of turf here at the park, which pushed us over the 5 million mark. So thank you to the City of Laguna Niguel and all of our customers for participating in this program.
Our rebate program has allowed us to transform our community's residential landscapes, golf courses, parks, streets, medians, and much more from high water use turf to efficient landscapes, helping not only save water for our customers, but also to save on their water bills.
Wanted to give you all a little bit of perspective of what 5 million square feet of turf is like. If you took, we're in the middle of football season, so we'll use a football reference for all the turf that you see. There's 31 NFL stadiums. 5 million square feet would cover 31 NFL stadiums 3 times over. So it's a substantial amount of turf. You can tell all the turf we've removed can go to those stadiums 3 different times. That translates to more than 500 million gallons of water saved on an annual basis. For those of you that are familiar with Olympic swimming pools, we could fill 757 Olympic swimming pools with the amount of water that are saved every year by our customers. So it really is a tremendous milestone to think about all the turf that's been saved, and all the preparation that's went into, not only dealing with the last drought we had, but this is going to help prepare us for future droughts as we experience those and the changing water usage that we see for years to come.
This is a monumental milestone of removing 5 million square feet of turf, and to recognize some of our customers who made this happen. We certainly can't do it without everybody's participation.
My water bill is so minimal that it looks like no one lives there. It's way, way below what I'm allotted on the first tier. So compared to neighbors, it's much lower.
It couldn't have been a better experience for me. Everything just went so smoothly. I mean, from planning it to talking to you, organizing everything. It was just a super experience, and I'm so glad I did it. My water bills now are like half of what they were, and my yard looks a whole lot better than it ever did in the past, and I feel good.
I think it's wonderful, easy to do, and very happy I did it.
I just want to commend Moulton Niguel for your leadership, for what you've done with your customers, and commend your customers because they've actually been the ones that have produced all of these wonderful results that you have.
And then thank you again so much for being here today. It was really special for us to be able to celebrate this with our partners in changing turf throughout Orange County and South Orange County and really saving water for future years to come.